windows. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, Will County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern Grundy County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern Kankakee County in northeastern Illinois, until 11:30 a.m. At 10:27 a.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight-line wind damage were located near Minooka, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. These dangerous storms will be near Joliet, Champaign, Minooka, Shorewood, and Elwood around at 10:35 a.m. Manhattan around 10:40 a.m. New Lenox around 10:45 a.m. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Mokina, Frankfurt, University Park, Monee, Park Forest, Steger, and Crete. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. This cluster of thunderstorms is capable of producing tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.